Welcome to 1105 Delphinium Drive. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house, completely fenced in East Orlando, near University of Central Florida. Let's start off by taking a look at the surrounding neighborhood so you get a good idea of what's up. Right now it's about 5 p.m. in the afternoon and you can see it's very quiet, a nice peaceful neighborhood. As you can see here, this property actually has 2 driveways plus a unique little basketball court thing going on over there if you're into that kind of thing. Let's take a look inside. This property has been completely renovated inside and out, top to bottom. Once you get inside, this is your view as you walk in. You got your living area in front here. Every major room has a ceiling fan. This is an open concept home. So you have a kitchen with lovely hardwood cabinets, solid wood cabinets I should say. A nice little island, stainless steel appliances, and attractive LED lighting. This is a reverse view from the kitchen so you can see what the front door looks like and get an idea of the space. And then all these doors have what you call soft close hinges. Really cool feature. You don't see it very often. Okay, on the left side you have the master bedroom. You can see the flooring is porcelain tile, really attractive. There's a ceiling fan. The closet runs the whole length of the wall, so there's actually quite a lot of closet space. Open up one door to show you. It's a little dark in there, but on this side, but you can see it runs all the way down wall to wall. So lots of closet space in there. New closet doors. The master bedroom has its own bathroom. There's a double vanity, double sink, really attractive stuff. There are the lights. Brand new toilet. Here's the lovely shower. Kind of hard to get a look at it, given the angle we're at, but there's all brand new tile and a lovely little herringbone pattern at the bottom. And then there again is your vanity with lots of storage. Let's move on to the rest of the house. That's the master bedroom. This house does have central AC everywhere except the master bedroom and the laundry room. Here's the dining room. You walk in. Again, there's the front door, kitchen, and you walk straight into your formal dining room. You're back there. The house is tiled all the way throughout, so no worries there. And the back of your dining room we'll close the door so you get an idea of the space. The back of your dining room is your laundry room. Lots and lots of big windows, so lots of natural light coming in this home. Here in your laundry room, got your washer, dryer, water heater, and then a whole bunch of storage space for you to keep your stuff. Whatever you want to do, you can put in a bench to fold clothes or whatever. There's all that going on over there. Let's close the laundry room. Move on to the other bedrooms. So we're walking past the kitchen. Take a look at the kitchen. Going down this way, this is a look at your hallway. And we're going to start on your right. And inside here, you can see bathtub, nicely decorated bathroom with accent tile, new fixtures, bathtub, new toilet, and there's your vanity. So that's your second bathroom. Walking in here into bedroom number 2. Again, just showing you the windows so you can see the amount of natural light. There's your closet, standard size closet in these homes. There's your space. Walking out. Here's bedroom number 3, which is actually larger than bedroom number 2. Again, multiple windows, so lots of natural light in here. All bedrooms 2, 3, and 4 just have a standard size closet that you'd see in these homes. Bedroom 1 has the wall-to-wall closet. And there you go. And you can see the same really attractive wood look tile all the way through the house. All right. Bedroom number 4. Similar size bedroom. This bedroom does have one window. You can see over there, there's a mirror image closet from the other side. As you can see, all these rooms have nice ceiling fans to keep you extra cool. In addition to the central air. And that's it for the inside of 1105 Delphinium Drive.